Hey everybody, it's Keith from Jits PC. Well, the Linux project is coming along. I've got Linux Mint downloaded and updated here on the T450s. You get to poking around in it, and there is a ton of software. You can find it in the software manager. Click on the software manager, and it'll bring up. There you go. You got tons of stuff in here, and since my camera setup at both home and the shop is Windows based, it kept me on Windows for a long time. So I went ahead and downloaded or set up the VirtualBox, and I've got a Windows 10 VirtualBox set up, so I can even watch my cameras now, and I can do it in the VirtualBox. I'll work on Wine and all that, and maybe try to get the little exe to run without the VirtualBox. But for now, I got the VirtualBox set up, and I'm going to see how long I can run the Windows 10 without a product key. We'll see. It probably will start to fuss, but for now, I haven't hunted down a Windows 10 product key yet. I'm saving those for the sale PCs, but we'll see how long it lasts. And there is the VirtualBox, and then here's my camera set up, and I can pick the shop cams, and then so I can watch my cameras in the VirtualBox on a Linux PC. So that was the main thing that was keeping me from not running a Linux box more than anything else, other than Microsoft's applications. But I've got the VirtualBox, so until I figure out all the rest of the stuff, I can run it that way if I need to get into anything Microsoft related. So it's pretty handy. Yes, I'll probably put a product key on that. That way I can get to, I can customize it or whatever, do the personalization. But it's pretty handy to be able to watch the cameras in a VirtualBox while on Linux. So it's coming along. I'll keep posting updates, and y'all feel free to comment. If you've got ideas and things like that that might make that exe work and Wine, throw them in the comment section. Well, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking out the channel, and be sure to hit subscribe. Y'all have a good day, and a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year out there. Happy holidays to everybody.